everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I am so excited to bring you this Kroger updated must-do deals video that is going from July 6th to the 12th. And remember, this is week one of our buy five or more, save $1 each red tagged mega sale. But we will see this move into the week of the 13th and so forth. So some of these deals are going to be good for quite a while. But I'm so excited. Big thank you to all of you that understood that I could not just spend all day on the video yesterday. I told you I was going to come out with updated deals because I knew I was missing deals. I just couldn't scan any longer. It was my daughter's birthday yesterday. She turned 12. We had so much fun. We took her to Dave & Buster's and had a lot of fun playing games and eating lunch. And then we, did things. We had church last night. So when we got home from church, we did the cake and just a small few gifts and things like that. She'll have her friend birthday party on Friday night, so it'll be a little bit bigger, a little bit more fun. But I appreciate you guys understanding that I couldn't just sit on the screen all day and try to figure out deals. So today I am filling in a lot of the deals that I missed yesterday, and there are so many good ones. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's see what's happening. This is going to be amazing. So many freebies, so many money makers. You're going to be excited. Okay, let's talk about the mega sale deal items that are going on. This is a buy five or more, save $1 each. Remember, you have to have a minimum of 5 in your cart before you check out. If you're like me and do a lot of mini hauls, it sometimes gets frustrating to have to find 5 items that you want to purchase. So there's always good to have some filler items. If you did not see the video from Wednesday, go check that out. I have a bunch of great filler items, including my favorite energy drink, Bang, which is only $1, and a couple of other things that you may want to grab. But we're going to see what's happening new with this. I'm so excited. Okay, so the Snuggle Super Fresh Fabric Conditioners. These are regularly priced $3.79. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're on mega sale for $2.79. We do have $1.50 off 1 coupons from Save $6.19. They do expire on the 10th, so you have a few days to do this. You can use 2 of them. Out of pocket, pay $2.58, and then you can submit to Swag Bucks for 400 Swag Bucks when you buy 2, and you can do that 2 times per month. I think that was one of them's a month, and we're going to do one later that's per day, but this is per month. So final cost is completely free and $1.42 money maker. What an awesome deal on this one. Now, I normally don't rehash deals from my video on Wednesday or my other videos that I do, but I am bringing this one back just to kind of keep all of the freebies up to date and together in one video for you. So the Skin to Mint Shave Gel here, you should already know about this one. It's regularly priced $3.69, on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $1.99. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon that just hit yesterday. You'll pay 99 cents, and then Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back on 1, limited 3 times, making this completely free, which is a really great deal. All right, so let's talk about a new freebie here, the Del Monte Veggieful Pocket Pies. These are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99, and mega sale for $1.99. Now pay that out of pocket. Shopkick has a couple of offers, so you can grab the Del Monte Veggieful Garlic and Herb Plant-Based Chicken and Real Cheese Pocket Pies. That's one. And then you can also grab the Del Monte Veggieful, either the broccoli, potato cheddar, or the spinach artichoke parmesan pocket pie. I think the broccoli potato is what I have pictured there. Then you can submit to Shopkick for 725 kicks for those, or $2.90, making one of them completely free and a 91-cent moneymaker. And obviously, if you grab both of them, you're going to make double that. So really great deal here on these. I've actually never tried these, but I've had Hot Pockets. I'm assuming they're very similar to just Hot Pockets, so I bet they're just delicious. I definitely want to stock up on these. I've got some. I obviously now have a preteen and I have a teenager, and a lot of times they just want quick and easy meals. So this would be a really great one for them to have in the freezer for lunch or a quick dinner if we're having to run somewhere. So I'm going to be grabbing both of these. All right, this could be free to you. Check your Kroger. So Kind frozen treat bars at my store, regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.49. would pay that out of pocket, but then Ibotta has a rebate for 4 back on 1. It's limited one time, and it is expiring in 1 day. So this, obviously, if you're not watching this right when I put this video out, go check and make sure everything's available. But final cost is 49 cents. I know some people are getting this on Mega Sale for $3.99. If that's the case, you're getting it completely free. So this is a possible freebie for you, but still 49 cents is a really great deal. We also used to have, I believe, a Shopkick rebate for this. The Shopkick is no longer available, at least not in mine. But again, I would definitely, if I were you, go check your Shopkick, double check Ibotta, make sure it's still available for you before you go to the store and grab this. But it's a possible freebie or a really cheap deal. All right, this is an amazing moneymaker here. So grab 2 of the Crunch or Butterfinger minis. These are regularly priced $3.99 each, on sale for $3.49, and they're part of the Mega Sale, so they're $2.49 each. Pay that out of pocket. For 2 of them would be $4.98. And then Swag Bucks has this huge 800 Swag Bucks when you purchase 2, and it's up to 2 times that you can grab this. That makes it completely free and a $3.02 money maker. That is crazy awesome. And I think we've talked about this before. This one has been a freebie in the past as well with Swag Bucks, but this candy is individually wrapped inside, so you could grab this. Just make sure the expiration date's good for a while, which generally is with candy, and you could use this for Halloween candy because they're minis. They're the perfect size. Free and make $3.02. Yes, thank you. But like I said, you have to go hide this from, at least I have to hide this from my husband because he will break into them. So I have to hide them. Okay, so I wanted to give you an update on this General Mills cereal deal. So we got a brand new Kroger cashback for it, the 25 cents back. So that adds a little bit of savings. Not much, but a little bit. So if you are not familiar, the sale is $3.49, Mega Sale for $2.49. There are $1 off 2 digital coupons available, as well as there is a $1 off 2 on the coupons.com app that you could submit to after the fact. Out of pocket, pay $3.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1. We knew about that one, but Kroger cashback popped up this morning, so you have that extra savings there. And of course, always submit to coupons.com app. They're through August. They're running a thing. If you spend $25 on General Mills cereal, you're going to get $5 back. So let that accumulate over the next couple of months. But final cost is $2.49 total, or $1.24 each. So a little bit more savings for you there. Suave Body Wash is an amazing deal, but we only have a couple days left to grab this. These are regularly priced $1.99 on Mega Sale for 99 cents. $1 off 2 from Unilever, $6.26. Like I said, it expires on the 9th, so really just 2 more days. This is the 7th I'm talking, so 7th, 8th, and 3 more days. You have 3 days to grab this. There's also 50 cent off 2 digital coupon, as well as a 50 cent off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. Just a reminder, they no longer have the affiliate program, so I can't directly link you into coupons anymore, but you can go to coupons.com and print there. But final cost is as low as 49 cents if you have the $1 off 2 from Unilever, or it could be 74 cents if you are using the 50 cent off 2 coupon. So either way, really amazing deal. Next deal we have is the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Facial Cleanser. These are regularly priced $5.99. They're on sale for $5.49, Mega Sale for $4.49, and there is a 2 off 1 digital coupon, making the final cost $2.49. This is now this digital coupon, I will say, goes on several different Neutrogena products. Some of them are on Mega Sale. This is the cheapest of the Mega Sale. So if you are interested in a higher value product, you may want to grab that, but it's also on a non-Mega Sale item that I'm going to show you later. So just remember this coupon because you may want to do the other deal since you only get one of these. All right, let's talk about some Kroger deals that are happening, non-Mega Sale deals, and we've got quite a few, and again, more freebies and money makers. So just a quick reminder, check your digitals, see if you have these freebies or if you have different freebies. The savings for you will vary. Everybody should have the yogurt there for free. If you didn't see that, that's from last week. Again, I don't normally rehash, but I wanted to make sure I put all the freebies in the same video since there's so many of them. right, let's talk about a new freebie and moneymaker, the Frutella Soft Gummies. These are regularly priced $2.49. Now, we've known about Shopkick for a while. It's been out, but we just now got a great sale price on this product for $1.50. Pay that out of pocket, and then you can submit to Shopkick for 525 kicks. If you're not familiar with how Shopkick works, like 250 kicks is $1. So obviously that's $2 plus the 25 cents. I did the math, I promise. So this should be free and a 60-cent moneymaker, but kicks are kind of confusing. Swag bucks are pretty easy because it's an easy transition, but kicks are kind of odd to try to figure out. But anyway, make sure you scan the product in store for the extra 25 kicks there, but you should make 60 cents on this, which is still a great deal. Next deal is the Dr. Scholl's Corn Removal Cushions, 6 count. Now, these are regularly priced $6.49. There is a 2-off-1 digital coupon that I do have pictured there. Now, that is a store coupon. Just so you know, that is a store coupon. You can pair it with a manufacturer coupon, the 3-off-1 from Smart Source 612, that it does expire on the 15th. Out of pocket, pay just $1.49, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's limited 3 times, making this product free and a 51-cent moneymaker. So that's a pretty decent deal on this particular product. Okay, Neutrogena Transparent Facial Bar. This is the one I was telling you about that we can use that digital on. So these are regularly priced $2.79. No sale price, but that 2-off-1 digital is going to make that bar just 79 cents, which is a really great deal. And I've got an even better one here on the next slide. So now this is a different coupon, so you could actually do both of these. So Neutrogena Facial Cleansing Acne Bars are regularly priced $3.29. There is a 3-off-1 digital coupon that is attaching to it, making it just 29 cents after all is said and done, which is pretty awesome deal on this. So 2 great deals here, but like I said, if you're wanting that actual facial cleanser, soap that I showed you from the mega sale, that's a pretty good deal too. Okay, so you do have to purchase the Nature's Own sourdough bread specifically. It's the crafted there. You can see perfectly crafted sourdough loaf from the picture. My store does not carry it, so I put a picture up of almost the same product, but it's not the sourdough. So we don't carry the sourdough, and I have been to store and looked for this before. It's on sale for $2.99. You'd pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has this great rebate for 2 back on 1, making the bread just 99 cents. So if your store carries the sourdough bread, you have a really awesome deal there. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to pass on this one. So in yesterday's video, I showed you a Townhouse cracker deal that was really good, and today we have the Cheez-It Puffed. Now, I am not positive, but this $1.99 each when you buy 3 digital coupon, I'm not sure if it disappears after you use it once or if you can use it multiple times. So if you've done this deal, let me know if it's still available to you in the comments below. So the Cheez-It Puffed, if you want to grab 3 of these, they're regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99, but they're going to be $1.99 each when you use the 3-time digital coupon. This is a store coupon, obviously. So you compare it with a manufacturer coupon. There are new printable coupons from coupons.com that you can print. $1 off 1, use 2 of them. And the reason why we say not to use 3, because generally you're only allowed 2 prints, and I believe Kroger's policy is they only accept 2 printable like coupons, if that makes sense. So make sure you print once and then you upload it again and print a second time. You cannot copy printable coupons. This is why printable coupons are going away, because nobody really knows how to use them correctly. And so people are not getting reimbursed for printable coupons, unfortunately. However, while they're still available and Kroger still does accept them, you'd pay $3.97, and then you would submit to Fetch for 750 points. Now, it does say specifically, if you read the fine print, that it does allow you up to 4 times. However, it's only 2 times per receipt. So you're only going to get that 750 back for 2 of the products. Final cost is $2.47 total, or 82 cents each. However, I'm going to combine that Townhouse cracker deal with the Cheez-It Puffed in the next slide, and we're going to have an even better deal. So check this out. Okay, so if you grab 2 of the Townhouse crackers, regularly priced $3.49, and 1 of the Cheez-It Puffed, regularly priced $3.99, they're all on sale for $2.99. You're going to get them for $1.99 each when you buy 3 with that digital coupon. So make sure that is loaded. Remember, that's a store coupon. Then you compare it with the $1 off 2 Townhouse print coupon. That is from the Kellogg's website. I'll have it linked in the description box below. And then just print 1 of the Cheez-It printable coupons from coupons.com. Out of pocket, you'll pay $3.97 still. And then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 2 for the Townhouse. And then submit to Fetch for 750 points for the Puffed. Final cost is going to be just $1.22 total for all 3 products, or just 41 cents each, which I think is an awesome deal. Honestly, we love all of these products. Townhouse crackers are so good. I love those. And my kids, they can't get enough of the Cheez-It Puffed. Cannot get enough of it. So that's a really awesome deal too. So really awesome deals here. Hopefully you like this scenario. And obviously, if you prefer just the Townhouse crackers, you could obviously do the deal I had in my video from Wednesday. Or if you just prefer the Cheez-It Puffed, you can do the one from the slide up. But if you like the combination and you like cheap things, this is the best way to go. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel if you are not already. Go to the description box below. I've got links to social media as well as any rebate apps you may not be already joined to and all that good stuff. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.